This is the distance protection relay trainer panel. Here we are going to perform two experiments. First experiment is to perform experiment for distance protection of transmission line. Second experiment is to perform experiment for auto reclose function of the relay. So this is the EMT1, that is three-phase supply. This is the three-phase power cum energy multifunction meter. This is forward or reverse panel. So from here we can change the phase sequence to the correct phase sequence if the phase sequence is not correct from this panel. So this is the current transformer panel. So here we are going to get the current measurement as per our requirement. This is the same as this panel. So this will measure the input and this will measure the output side. That is, this will measure the sending in voltage or current or power or energy, and this will measure the receiving end side. This is the single phase supply. This is the step down transformer, 415 volt to 110 volt. This is the distance protection relay trainer, and this tabletop panel is the transmission line panel. So here we are going to get the transmission line, and here the transmission line for medium, that is 125 and 250 long transmission line connection can get from this panel. And this is the resistive load panel. So this will be used for loading the transmission line for different experiment. So let's proceed to the experiment. This is the distance protection relay trainer kit. Here we are going to perform the experiment for distance relay. So this one is the transmission line panel, and this one is the resistive load panel, and this is the distance relay, and this is the distance relay panel. The wiring connection is made as per the wiring sequence given in the manual. First of all, we will start the 4 ampere MCB on EMT1, that is the single phase supply, and it gives the supply to the distance relay, and this distance relay model is Alstom P442, and here we have to check here alarm is not. If here is alarm, then we have to clear it. So in order to clear it, we have to use this book type and this C. Okay, then we have to start this three-phase supply, and we have to push start button. So here when we push start button, if we turn this to the forward, then this two EMT34A and the EMT34B, that is the three-phase multifunction power cum energy meter, will show current. Okay, so here it will show 0.8 current for all the three phase, and here also this is the receiving inside, and this will also show all 0.8 current. And for this one we have to put at the position 225 ohm. Then we can see the voltage, that is line to neutral. So this voltage will show around 240. Okay, and for this one also
can see the voltage. So here it will show voltage around 200. So in order to make the faults, that is line to ground fault, we have to stop this three-phase supply. Then we have to make the connection here. In order to make the line to ground fault, that is single line to ground fault, we have to connect 2 and the 4. Now we have made the line to ground fault in the load side. Now we will start it, and from here we can see that our phase is trip and fault is at the zone 2. Okay, and from this display we can check the record of the fault. In order to read the fault, you have to press the book sign here. Then here it shows fault record active group 1. So if you press it again, then it will show started phase AN. So A is nothing but it is the R, and for this relay it is given as ABC. Okay, so AN means A phase R to neutral. Then phase A is trip. Start element distance. So the trip is in the zone 2. Here it is shown as zone 2. Okay. Then frequency, fault duration, relay trip time, fault location is at 236.6 kilometer. Okay. So when we look at the manual also, you will find that what is the value of zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4. Okay, from there also you can understand. Then this is the IA. So fault is at the IA, that's why its current is high. It is 2.346 ampere. And for at B and C there is no fault, that's why current is low. This is 885 milliampere and this is 874.8 milliampere. Okay, then after this fault, if we want to conduct another fault, then we have to press this reset button. Okay, if you press reset button, the fault will be clear. Then we have to make the another connection for another fault. Now we are going to make the double line to ground fault. Okay, so in order to make the double line to ground fault, we will connect 6 and the 2. Now we will press the start button and fault will be automatically detected. Now from here we can see that fault is in RY phase, okay, and it is in the zone 2. Now let's see the reading of the faults. So active fault group is 1. So fault is started in A, B and neutral. Okay, so RY phase is AB here. Okay, and neutral fault is here. Then ABC is straight. Distance strip is in zone 2. Fault location is at 236.4 kilometer. So here current IA will be high, that is 2.38 ampere. IB is 2.44 ampere, and at B phase there is no fault, that's why there will be low current. So it is 892.8 milliampere. Okay, so now we will again reset it and we will make a 3-phase to ground fault, and we will see what is the reading come out. Now we have made the connection for 3 line to ground fault, that is triple LG. So then we have to press the start button. then fall will be detected by the relay. Now fall is detected by the relay and the fall is in RYD and it is in zone 2. So let's see the reading in the display. So here active group 1, then so here started phase is ABCN. Okay, so we have made the triple line to ground fall, that's why ABC means RYB. Okay, then trip phase is ABC, distance of trip is zone 2, this one, and fall location is 237.5 kilometer. So here IA is 2.3 ampere, IB is 2.38 ampere, and IC is 2.5 ampere. Okay, all the three phase and the ground is fall is happening, that's why all the current is high here.